Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the chain rule to differentiate three exponential functions. Starting with part A, we've got y is equal to e to the power of x squared plus 3x. Now because we've been specifically asked to use the chain rule to find the derivative, we need to show the full steps. And so it's a good idea to start with writing down the chain rule formula. And this is dy dx is equal to dy du times du dx. Now, whenever you're differentiating exponential functions and you need to use the chain rule, what you do is let u equal the exponent of the e term. And so for part A, we're going to let u equal x squared plus 3x. And so deriving this, we're going to get du dx, which is equal to 2x plus 3. We then write y as a function of u. And so y is going to equal e to the u. And so deriving this, dy du is going to equal e to the u. Now that we have dy du and du dx, all we need to do is sub this into the formula to work out the derivative. And so dy dx is going to be dy du, which is e to the u, times du dx, which is 2x plus 3. Rewriting this is the same as 2x plus 3 times e to the u. And now all we have to do is replace u as a function of x, and so this is going to be 2x plus 3 times e to the power of x squared plus 3x. Part B. Y is equal to e to the power of x squared minus 3x plus 1. And so we let u equal the exponent part, and so u is going to be x squared minus 3x plus 1. Deriving this, we're going to get du dx, and this is going to be 2x minus 3. We then write this as a function of y in terms of u, and so this is going to be e to the power of u, and so dy du is going to be e to the u. From here, we sub in dy du and du dx into the formula, and so therefore dy dx is going to be dy du, which is e to the u, times du dx, which is 2x minus 3. Rewriting this is 2x minus 3 times e to the u, and now we just replace u back as a function of x, and so this is going to be 2x minus 3 times e to the power of x squared minus 3x plus 1. Part C. Y is equal to minus 5 times e to the power of 1 minus 2x minus 3x squared. And so we let u equal the exponent part, and so u is going to be 1 minus 2x minus 3x squared. Deriving this, we're going to get du dx, and this is going to be minus 2 minus 6x. We can take out a negative, and we can rewrite this as minus and then 6x plus 2. We then write y as a function of u, and so this is going to be minus 5 times e to the power of u, and deriving this, we're going to get dy du, and this is going to equal minus 5 times e to the u. From here, we sub this into the chain rule formula to work out the derivative. And so dy dx is going to be dy du minus 5 times e to the u times du dx, which is minus times 6x plus 2. Cleaning this up, this is going to be 5 times 6x plus 2 times e to the u. And all we do now is sub in u back in as a function of x, and so this is going to be 5 times 6x plus 2 times e to the power of 1 minus 2x minus 3x squared. And that's it for these three examples of using the chain rule to find the derivative of exponential functions. Now, if you found this video helpful, then click on the like button or comment below and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you're studying Maths Methods, then log into the Maths Methods Club and group questions related to the chain rule and see if you can answer exam questions related to this topic. Good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.